Hi everyone, this is BLAAC and today we are going to do a video tutorial explaining in detail on service profit and chain service profit. So I'm going to have a new sign up today so that it can help us understand better. So let me just log out from this account. Okay. So this is my main account. So I'll start by converting the points first, so that those who don't know how to convert the points can make use of the video. So I'm about to activate VIP 2, so I'll convert 50 points. Okay, all right. Then from here I'm going to do the strategic placement. So I'll go to my network diagram. According to my network diagram, my right hand side is the weakest. I'll go to the first account. The first account on my right, it has the right hand side as the weakest, so I'll tap on this account. From here, this account has the right hand side as the weakest. This has the left hand side as the weakest, so I'll tap on here. Okay. This account has the weakest side here. So I'm going to register the new account here. VIP 2 Zambia. Okay. Central. Central Province. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here ABC 1, 2, 3, 4. I also maintain the same password since it's just for demonstration. Okay, so let me just check through. Okay, so we can register. Okay, I can save that password. I will need it. So from here, let's check today's if we have any service or chain service profit. So service profit, when was this date? It was on the 4th. So today we don't have. So I'm going to explain these in details: the chain service profit and the service profit and the chain service profit, as well as the daily service profit limit, so that you can understand. Okay, so let me just log out. We go and activate that account. I'm going to log in. Okay, so here, be a VIP. We're activating VIP to this one. You select this one. Okay, tap there, you tap, then you tap on buy one, buy now, add a new consignee, Geisha Chansa, Geisha Chansa, phone number 177595903, 177595903. Central province. Okay, so you tap on the right top corner, you set as default, deliver to me, you continue. Okay, so we need to pay consumption points here. Geisha. Oh, it's on top there. So the account has been activated. You can also check from here. You've seen activated VIP2. So now let's go and check what has happened to all the accounts. I'll start with the lowest account. According to strategic placement, there was an account for this one. I'm sure it has received the service profit. So you can check here. Okay, so the service profit 1.9 for this account, you have seen. Then we can also, there's another account which has received that. It was Eric King. Is this 20? Let me check this one. Okay, so it's this one, Eric King 30. Eric King 30 has received also. Okay, 1.2 for today. There's also another account, Changwe, this one. It has received, I'm sure, also. Okay, you've seen. Then there is another account, BLAAC. This one. I'm sure it has received as well. Income detail. Okay, so this one, BLAAC has received the 3.84 as the service profit. Then last but not the least, my main account now. That's where I'll be explaining from. So we check how many points I've received. Okay, so I'll start from here. There is first my direct sharing award, which is the federal commission of 6.4. Then I've received the chain service profit from Francisco, Eric King, Changwe, and Priska, plus my normal service profit as 3.8. So now I'm going to explain the daily service profit limit. Since I'm a VIP 4, my water, you want water? Okay, so my daily service limit is $300 for VIP 4. So if this service profit, thank you. So if let's say since today I've received the 3.84 as the service profit, it means that I've remained with let's just calculate sharp. So my 300, that's the service the limit for VIP 4 minus 3 point how much was that? 84, 3.84. It means that I've remained with 296.16 service profit. Once I exhaust this, it means that I won't be able to receive any service profit for today unless tomorrow. So the daily service profit zero out at midnight, so it will reset itself to 300 again. So this is what they mean. So the service profit, the total sum of this service profit for in a day is not supposed to exceed my 300. So that's the daily service profit limit. So you cannot receive more than your VIP level. So on the daily service profit, I've just remained with $296 for today. That's if I'm going to have more sign-ups. Now let me explain on the 75. So as you can see, I've received 1.19 from Priska after she received 3.84. So half of 3.84 is 1.19 or 1.92. So let's check. 3.84 divided by 2, that's 1.29. So this is the chain service profit. You've seen chain service profit. So chain service profit is always less than service profit. So those 75% or 100% is a target to make the chain service profit become equal to service profit. So let's see. If you check for these accounts like this one, Changwe, Eric King, Francisco, they received 1.19 as the service profit, and half of 1.19, let's check. So 1.29 divided by 2, that's 0.96. So 0.96. So the key here also is, if today I register more new members, and these 0 point, this is change service profit, if the sum becomes 5 times my level. So 5 times my level is how much? So let's see, 300 times 5, so $1,500. If this change service profit, if you add these 0.9, 0.9, and in case of even this one, the 1.2, this is also change service profit. Once you add the change service profit of that day, if it becomes 5 times your level, it means that instead of receiving 50%, I'll start receiving 75%. So this was 50%. So in case this change service profit was the sum, if you add them and the total figure becomes $1,500, it means that I won't be earning 50%, but my account will automatically go to 75%. Then in case these change service profits, the sum goes to 10 times my account, so 10 here, so 3,000. So in case you add these change service profit and the total sum adds to $3,000, it means that I will now be able to be receiving 100%. So if any of the account, let's say it has received $1.92 as service profit, it means that myself, I'm going to receive $1.92 as change service profit. So from there, it means that now the change service profit is equal to service profit. That's when now there will be a limit, because a limit for service profit is that my level is on VIP4 and my daily service profit limit is 300. It means that I won't be exceeding 300. So per day, I can only be able to receive 300, either change service profit or service, but it won't exceed 300 per day. So it means that as you grow your network, you need to upgrade to a higher level, because when I go to VIP5, it means that my service profit, my daily service profit will be $600. So this is, so let me just go through again to just sum it up. So the service profit, we said that the daily service profit limit cannot exceed your level. So level 1, the daily service profit limit is 25, level 2 is 50, VIP 3 is 100, VIP 4 is 300, VIP 5 is 600, VIP 6 is $1,200. So when you are registering new members strategically, whereby you place them on the weakest leg, it means that those service profit, you cannot earn more than your VIP level. Then the change service profit goes with if your change service profit becomes 5 times your level, it means that you are going to be automatically receiving 75%. So that's I'm sure maybe you are now going to get a clue on this one. So let me just go and do a trading. Let's check. We do a trading so that we close. Okay, so I'm going to transfer okay, we transfer 90 for trading. Okay, so I'll just log out from my account and log into our new members account. Okay, so here I'll go to new retail. I will select the ring. Since we trade the rings, you tap on one, tap on buy now. Deliver to me, continue paying. I'll select this. Okay, it has been purchased successfully. Now we go on wholesale. The same ring which was 50 is now 20. We buy this one. You tap on picture, you tap on random, you increase the quantity to 2, you buy now. Tata, no. Deliver to me. We cash in. Chai points. Confirm. Okay, view order. Always tap on to sell if you are trading. To sell. Okay. Tata, stop that. So the trade has been activated. Okay, so that's it for today. Just log out. Catch me on the next video. Thank you. Have a blessed day.